If you want to make your computer more secure, there are 3 settings you need to change. I'll explain everything in detail. Why should we make these changes? All the settings we'll discuss are related to PowerShell, which is a very powerful tool in Windows, similar to Command Prompt but much more advanced. It allows you to perform almost anything on your computer using text commands. However, the problem is that malware exploits PowerShell to infiltrate your system. Statistics show that around 50 to 75% of malware attacks use PowerShell at some stage, whether by running malicious scripts or executing harmful commands directly. Setting 1. Disable PowerShell 2.0. Why? PowerShell 2.0 is an extremely outdated version with many security vulnerabilities. Microsoft only keeps it for compatibility with old programs. How to disable it? Open the Start menu and search for Turn Windows features on or off. In the window that opens, look for Windows PowerShell 2.0. Uncheck the box. Click OK. Your device may ask for a restart. You can do it now or later. This won't remove PowerShell entirely, but it will disable the old, unused version. Setting 2. Enable Constrained Language Mode. Why? This mode limits the types of commands that PowerShell can execute, whether directly or through scripts. This helps prevent malware from running dangerous commands. How to enable it? Open PowerShell. Enter the following command to check the current mode. I'll include the command in the video description. If the result shows full language, it means the mode is unrestricted and we need to change it. Open the Start menu and search for Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click New. Enter the following details. I'll include the details in the video description. Click OK, then restart PowerShell and check the mode again. It should now display Constrained Language. This setting isn't a 100% security solution, as high-privilege malware can modify it, but it adds a strong layer of protection in the early stages of an attack. Setting 3. Block PowerShell script execution. Why? By default, Windows has a feature called Execution Policy that is meant to prevent unauthorized PowerShell scripts from running. However, malware can easily bypass it. How to prevent bypassing it? If you have Windows Pro, open Group Policy Editor by typing gpedit.msc and run. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components. Windows PowerShell. On the right side, open Turn on Script Execution. Select Disabled. This prevents any scripts from running. Click OK. If you need to run PowerShell scripts for work, you can choose Allow Only Signed Scripts instead of Disabled. This allows only digitally signed scripts to run. If you have Windows Home doesn't include Group Policy Editor, but you can use a free tool called Policy Plus. Download Policy Plus from GitHub. Run it and select Download Policy Settings if prompted. Navigate to the same path as above. Change the setting to Disabled. Save changes from File greater than Save Policies. These changes won't make your computer 100% immune to malware, but they will block easy entry points for hackers and viruses with minimal effort. Additionally, always use Windows Defender or a reliable antivirus program. Keep Windows updated to fix security vulnerabilities. Avoid opening suspicious files or links, even from trusted sources. With these settings, your computer will be much more secure without unnecessary complications.